Abracadabra! Happy Halloween! What shall we taste today? Please welcome in clown action.
Start by pumping up your 260 black balloon. Tie your knot. Make a 4 centimeter bubble, a pinch twist, an 8 centimeter bubble, another pinch twist, an 8 centimeter back to the first pinch twist, now pump up your red balloon and make an 8 centimeter bubble out of it. Tie that red balloon to the first pinch twist you made, and turn that 8 centimeter bubble into 2 4 centimeter bubbles, and tie the tail to the other pinch twist. This makes his eyes. Now using the black balloon again, make an 8 centimeter bubble and tie it to the pinch twist. And another 4 centimeter bubble for his ears. Cut off the rest of the 260 black balloon, but make sure to tie a knot and save it. The 260 balloon will be used for his body. Tie the knot on his ear as well. You can cut off the tail for that red balloon. Now attach the 260 black balloon into one of his ears. Now pump up your 160 black balloon and tie it to the other ear. The 160 balloon is for his wings, and the 260 balloon is for the body. Now this is the tricky bit. Squeeze the 2 balloons until they are both under the head and twist them together. Now using the 260 balloon, make an 8 centimeter bubble, a pinch twist, and another 8 centimeter bubble back to the head, and twist it together. Make an 8 centimeter bubble back to the pinch twist. You can now pop off the rest of that 260 balloon. Now you have 2 8 centimeter bubbles in the front and 1 at the back. Now using that 160 balloon, make a 5 centimeter bubble, a pinch twist, another 5 centimeter bubble, another pinch twist, another 5 centimeter bubble, and a pinch twist, and now a 3 centimeter bubble that reaches back to the first pinch twist that you made. Now make another 3 centimeter bubble and tie it to the last pinch twist you made. Now make one more 5 centimeter bubble and tie it back to its head. Now repeat the same steps for the other wing. A 5 centimeter bubble, a pinch twist, another 5 centimeter bubble, another pinch twist, another 5 centimeter bubble, one more pinch twist, and a 3 centimeter bubble to the first pinch twist you made. One more 3 centimeter bubble to the last pinch twist you made, and one 5 centimeter bubble back to the body. You can now pop off the rest of that balloon You can hide the tail at the bottom of the body, where the pinch twist is. To make the wings more stable, you can squeeze them between the front and the back of the body. So in between the two 8cm balloon and the one 8cm balloon at the back. And the twisting part is done. Now to make his face. Draw 2 eyes with the black marker. And use white for the highlights. If you want to make him look angrier, you can give him angry eyebrows. And your bat is complete.
Whoa, I have a balloon bat. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.